Right, well, this is the long awaited System Test 56. I've made quite a few changes. Actually, the panel has moved. I'm not sure if that was in the last one. And in here, the smoke detector used to be up there. I've now moved it here with a heat detector. I may reposition these. We've got a beacon and also a flash knee behind there. CO2 extinguisher mounted there. A smoke detector, heat detector, flash knee there. This wire is just temporary. A cold point's going to be going there. Got a heat detector and an ionisation smoke detector and then flash knee. Yeah, I'll go ahead and test the system. Put it into a walk test. Wrong code. No, there. After. Right. I hope if I actually aim at it. There it is. Wrong walk test. There we go. Let's try again. There we go. Bit of dirt on it. Come on. Oh. There we go. Cancel that while we wait for it. There we go. I think that volume is turned down. That's most likely cause this volume's up. I'll set up the system and walk you through it when it's all going off. Right, that is System Test 56 of the fire alarm system, and thanks for watching.